Okay, hello and welcome to the Stampscapes channel. This is just a follow-up, really quick video here just showing what I did with these pieces here, these scrap pieces. I matted this one off right here and just a little bit of border around each of these with a little bit of white. Kind of reiterates what's going on with the little splatter paintings in here with the small kind of white elements, and then just some glossy dark cardstock around the perimeter. It's just because I have a ton of that, and I had all that ready to go. But I don't know, some other colors might have been even better. But just adding that little piece in there, I think that really finished off this card just with what it needed. You can have little birds in here or something like that too, but there that is with the Stardream Aqua. I can't remember the name of this one. Was it Aquamarine or something like that? But it's just a really nice iridescent light blue color. Okay, so this one right here, this little gold piece, I thought looks really nice on this glossy matting right here. But one of the things I was mentioning was I would go back in and do some interior lighting with the white paint pen for those windows right in there. And I think that really stands out really nicely and goes with the other white components in here in terms of the word stamp and the star. Plus all the snowfall and, starlight in there, with the splatter painting as well. This one right here, it really needed to be matted off like this. I think it set it off really nicely, but I stamped that piece up there. The piece doesn't really stand out. If it was a little bit kind of lighter, that would have been better. Maybe if it was embossed in white, that something like that. But that lettering up there, I don't know. I think it looks pretty good, even though it's kind of invisible. If it was a little bit darker up there, it would have been stood out a little bit more. But just this kind of firm matting on here or mounting, I think brings it about. The other piece, I'm not gonna show you that one. That one, I spray sealed it off, and the trees just kind of blended into the background. You really couldn't see it anymore. I'll have to think of something to do with that one. But these are 3 scraps. Kind of unconventional sizes right here, just in general. I mean, they're not totally unconventional. Well, this one was really kind of narrow, but by the time you kind of mat this off like that, it kind of makes for like a little bookmark or something like that. Maybe it's too big for a bookmark and too elongated or something like that, but I don't know, kind of a fun little format like that. Okay, but anyways, from scraps to scenes, or scenes on scraps, I guess you can call it. All right, but anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.